In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering pump cap on your GMC K1500. Down on the driver's side of the motor, we're going to find our power steering reservoir. To remove the cap, twist it counterclockwise and remove it. We need to transfer our seal from the old cap to the new. To do this, we're just going to pull it off. Give it a little twist and pull, and install it onto the new. Install the cap into the reservoir. Lock it down into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.